Hello guys. Welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can retrieve your deleted messages. Firstly, let's log into Facebook.com. Then, on the top right side, next to the bell icon, you will see your profile. Click on it and scroll down to Settings and Privacy. In here, you will find many options such as Settings, Language, Privacy Checkup, and others. For now, let's go to Settings. Click on it. Now, when you've been directed to the Settings page, on the top left corner, you will see the Account Center section. Scroll down and search for See More in Account Center. Click on it and scroll down to your information and permissions. In here, you will find something like Download Your Information. Click on it and just request to download. We need to select the types of information we want. As we only want to see the deleted messages, click on Messages. If you want to see others as well, you can choose them. For now, I'm just clicking on Next. Let's submit a request. Now, after some time, your information will be available. After your information is available, you will receive something like this. You just have to click on Download, and you will be able to see your deleted conversations easily. Let's click on Download. Just enter your password and hit Continue. Now, your information will be downloaded. Just unzip it, and you can easily view your deleted messages. For more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe.